Hi, I am Dr. Felice Gersh. I'm an integrative OBGYN physician, board certified both in OBGYN and in integrative medicine. And I am pleased to let you know that I will be giving a lecture at the upcoming hormone module in Nashville, Tennessee. And it is on a topic that is near and dear to my heart because so many women suffer from androgen excess issues. Now, this is just not a topic that's been talked about anywhere near enough. People always talk about estrogen dominance and progesterone deficiency, but there hasn't been enough lecturing and understanding of conditions in women involving androgen excess. Now, I'm going to talk all about the source of androgens in women, the ovaries, the adrenal, different times of a woman's life when she may have androgen excess, like in menopause, and what are the underlying issues, the physiology, the manifestations, and of course, therapeutic opportunities. So we as functional medicine practitioners can really make a difference in the lives of our women patients suffering from these really horrendous conditions involving androgen excess. Just imagine you woke up every morning to look in the mirror to see cystic acne, facial hair, hair thinning, and weight problems. These are really major manifestations, and that's just the visual stuff. What about what's going on inside the body invisibly that's harming various organ systems? So please come and see me discuss this really critical topic, androgen excess conditions in women. I'm looking forward to seeing you then.